Hey guys, welcome back to Stacy-Lee Vibes TV. This is your girl Stacy-Lee. Guess what? Me dey on the farm today. Yeah, they on the big farm. So this is cabbage. So me dey on a cabbage farm. Whole heap of cabbage dey on the farm. So we dey on a cabbage farm at Camp Out today. So for those who don't know cabbage and how cabbage grow, this is a cabbage farm and they have different ways of doing it. So we're gonna, but one thing guys, over here so dry like a chip, but the cabbage them don't look bad still, them pretty. To go in the farm and they love the farm at all. Hey, hi.
Here we are.
Matt asleep.
You see your name is?
Robert.
Robert. Alright. So what are you going to do about anytime come?
I don't matter now. Malvern me born and grow, but my mother when I'm back
So over here says the yam ground, guys. This is the yam. So the stick for the yam to run up on, and if you can look under here is the yam hill. So that's the yam hill. So this is not ready yet, so them are just plant. You can see some pumpkin there, so, and dasheen. So dasheen plant in between the yam field. So this is yam, that's how the yam grow, and it goes up on the tree. But for those who don't know, the yam grow under the hill, but you have to put it on a stick for it to run. And these are some dasheen. Yeah. Nice people. When you're there in a country, you can't get hungry, you know. Plant your own food, grow your own food, and eat what you grow. See over there, so whole heap of banana tree, pear tree like dirt. So I'm gonna get closer to the pear tree. I see some hot pepper here. So you bubble a pot, you get some hot pepper. So this are the real original Scotch bonnet pepper them, you know, guys. Them are the real fire Scotch bonnet pepper burn up you. And see, me say yo, everything there, you know, see some scallion root, you say, you know, you bubble a pot. You get your yam over there, so your dasheen over there, so your cabbage over there, so you get 2 roots of scallion, the hot pepper, and if you want to make up some juice, same way, pine there. See the pine there? Want to make up some juice? Pine there. Yeah. And if you, for those who know cassava, use and make bami. Yeah, you can get some bami over here, so same way, no? And some gungo peas. You put in your rice and peas, or you make gungo soup. Everything there, so. And this is what now, L-nut. Them your oil, guys, in rich oil, them here make, you know. L-nut oil, you use it to make castor oil. So this is what the castor oil, I go up close to it so I can see. So that's what the castor oil come from. This is what you use and make the castor oil. Them is something expensive, something, you know, take process to get it from vessel. Forget it if you use it either your hair or on your skin, whatever you use it to do. So that's the L-nut you use to make the castor oil. Alright guys, so this is now the coffee bean. For those who drink coffee, this is the coffee bean. So when they are ripe, and you get them dry and you beat them and you make coffee. And over here, so same way, you have your lime tree, so everything there, you know, can't hungry. No, sir. Now look at so now. Whole heap of pear tree, couldn't pear you. Look at them pear, you. Nice pear, look there. No man, I got a picture of them pear your phone now. Them pear you nice pear them here. Could you see my favorite here, Neesberry? Everything there, you know, see big old Neesberry tree, yes sir? And the pear tree over it. See? The pear tree and the Neesberry tree right there, sir. Yeah. Everything there. And if me can't find a Neesberry. See the Neesberry? Neesberry pine tree. I gotta see if me can get some Neesberry, you know. The whole heap of pear tree, big pear, little pear. All star apple tree, queer. Everything there, but I know star apple time. Whole heap of star apple there here. But it is not star apple time, so you're not gonna see the star apple. Hey Robert, no Neesberry in the funny tree, no ripe one. Okay. Okay. So this land is prepared for sweet potato. So this is what here is what they're going to plant. This is what they're going to plant. And that's the field prepared. See the row, so this is the tractor. The tractor make the rows here. So the tractor come in, plow up the land, and they make the row. And then this is the sweet potato. And they call this one of the mad dog. So this is a sweet potato sweet name, the mad dog. So they're gonna go through and plant them through here, so in the different rows. See? So hard working people there here, so nobody not supposed to die Jamaica dead for hungry. You can turn your hand and make fashion and you can live. Okay, those are the trees. Okay. So you're going to use those?
Yeah.
You're going to use them?
No, I didn't show you.
Oh, okay. I see them. So then just... How will you power?
Drop one of them. 200, we had 5,000 to drop.
Yeah. So guys, if you want to get your cabbage seed or your cabbage seed put in a tray, so you buy the tray like this, so somebody put it in the tray for you with the dirt and drop the seed in there. You just buy the tray, I just take it out by the dirt, the seed, the plant with the dirt, and just go plant it in your field. So they might do it now. Nobody not shit nothing again, you just buy the tree. Yeah, so everything, technology turn up yourself too. So people just trying to find different ways to not make farming as hard as it once used to be. See all over here, so at the land for the sweet potato. And you plant it, and guys, not what I feel to say. A whole heap of land there, so if you plant out, you get thousands of weight of sweet potato, so once it bear and good weather, water, yeah, and the soil is nice, no stone, pure dirt. Yeah. That are going on what are going in the farm, yeah, who knows? Might just go to farming too. And look here guys, the raspberry here. Tell us how we can't hungry on the farm, you know. See? Raspberry. We can't hungry on the farm, man. Yeah, hungry on the farm, see that? Food up on the farm. Fed up on your farm and you're hungry, see? Eat me, I go eat my raspberry and look. Nice. Number one is sweet, man. Sweet with them. Raspberries. You just pick it straight off of the tree. And look at guys, them are something here. And no nothing organic. Nothing go upon them, put upon them. They just grow. And nature take care of it. And you just pick it and eat it. You want nothing more than that? See? You know how much we have to pay for this there? Today. Nice. I tell you, so then sweet. Yeah, I tell you, they're really sweet. They're sweet. Right? If you go left some for your bird, or for somebody else, but see? I'm going to put this. Now I'm going to come back to go get one bag and pick them. Them are something expensive. Nice. And guys, over here nice and cool. And I say cool, me means over here so cool. Even though the sun hot, over here so cool. Yeah, and that's a go on pan what a go on.